So I just came home from watching Thama and I have thoughts. And if you haven't watched it yet, lots of spoilers ahead. So the movie opens in 323 BC, where we are introduced to the blood-sucking Betal, the OG Thama, who's going all fangs on foreign conquerors. To present day, and we meet Alok, played by Ayushmann Khurrana. And right off the bat, he uses words like riz and flex, which were just immediately off-putting for me. नाउ दिस आलोक एंड ऑल हिज रिज उसके अंदर का एडवेंचर जाग जाता है, तो वो गहरे जंगलों में चला जाता है जहाँ पे उसको एक भालू दौड़ाता है और वो ऑलमोस्ट मरते मरते बचता है. उसको बचाता कौन है? ताड़का, प्लेड बाई रश्मिका, हु इज़ अनदर बेताल. Now this Tadka, because she's all powerful and immortal, she saves his life not once, not twice, not thrice, but 4 times. And the 4th time is when she turns him, and obviously in between all this life saving, बचते बचाते दोनों को प्यार हो जाता है. Now this Betal wala folklore is going on in the background, okay, and uska context set hote hote you have already reached intermission, and then you're like, wait, not much has happened yet. But that is because all the chaos is reserved for the second half. Pura ka pura Maddock horror comedy universe is thrown at us. Stree, Chanderi ki Rani, Bhediya, Munjia, everyone gets a mention. And then comes that one moment, the coolest moment of the film, when Abhishek Banerjee's character Jana makes an entry. Now here's the best part. Jana bumps into Alok and refers to him as Bittu. Then there's the classic vampire werewolf Bhediya Betal showdown, eventually leading up to Betal fighting the OG Thama. And as a former Vampire Diaries fangirl, for the climax, here is a spoiler without context. It ends on a cliffhanger, and that obviously gives us something to look forward to. But it is 1 hour and 2 item songs too long. I wouldn't say it was unwatchable. Thama had its moments, but is it as rewatchable as 3?